Headlamps are where Nitecore really shined this year. From high budget friendly options to high performance models, 2024 was packed with releases tailored to different needs. Now let's dive into the highlights.
Here are all the NU series. We got NU45, NU53, NU30 and NU20. All these were released around May to August, actually spread out through the whole year. But the thing with this is, this headlamp series is the start of Nitecore's headlamp domination, offering a model for every budget, every brightness and every runtime level. So you'll start to see very similar models, but just incremental changes in brightness, runtime and price. The same controls, dual button controls across all models. You just pick your headlamp according to how demanding your task is. The bigger the number, the higher the spec the model. The NU5X series uses a 21700 battery here, which adds weight for higher brightness and outputs. Not ideal for everyone, but perfect for heavy duty users. The NU4X series here uses 18650 battery, so you get lighter headlamp at a cost of longer runtime. The NU3X series is the middle tier option, beefing up the already popular NU33 while offering better runtime and brightness. The NU2X series is the entry level option here, so these weigh almost nothing. You can see the paracord band here and are a favorite for runners, especially casual runners that only need lighting for 2 to 3 hours tops. Okay, do note I do show the battery here, but these are not replaceable batteries. These are all built-in batteries.
Some might find this a deal breaker for built-in batteries. These are alright when you're going out on trails and different other stuff, but if you need something more powerful for extended runtime, then that's when you might want to consider Nitecore's HC series, which has a removable battery.
Next up is the HC series. So we got the HC60, HC65 and HC70 on really rugged use with removable batteries like this, so you can swap it out on the job. The HC60 here is the lower tier of the HC65. The HC70 series moves up the rank and uses a larger 21700 battery here. So this is the difference in size between a 21700 battery and a 18650 size battery. So the good thing about these headlamps, the HC series, because of the array pattern here, so you realize compared to NU series, which is only like 2 or 3 or at most 1 LED, this one has 8 different LEDs inside one headlamp. So this gives you an excellent beam quality because the source of the light is wider. Quick detached design like this, just pop it off. It just makes it easy to mount and remove, and because you can pop it off so easily, it also has optional mounts like this, the BM06, which allow you to mount bike headlamp.
Some of you have been asking, can the Nitecore headlamps actually fit your Brompton bikes? Unfortunately, due to the unconventional handlebars at the moment, you can't mount it yet, but hopefully with some time, Nitecore will be able to extend its mounting ranges.
Beam can flip up for talking to others, so it's super user friendly. So if I can just flip up, don't have to blind him once I'm done, back and then flip down again. Most headlamps you realize can only flip down and forward, they can't flip up. Okay, so that's one of the good things about the HC series.
The rubber flap here, some have said that this is too flimsy and even had this caught on other items, but overall this is something that is not a deal breaker for some, but if it is to you, you will have to note on this. Nitecore, if you do see this, maybe you can make it a bit more thicker.
This entire line, the HC series, is the go-to headlamp for the more industrial users, the first responders, those that need to strap to safety helmets, serious users that rely on their headlamp to get their work done. These have been doing very well this year. Next up, the Carbon 6K battery kit. So this was released in April. Now this expands the runtime of the entire Nitecore headlamp range. It also adds a little red rear blinker here for extra visibility, and it works independent of the bracket. So here is the kit version. You can have it with the kit with a headband like this, and then at the front is where you attach your headlamp. Or you can just remove the whole power bank and use it on its own to charge your phone and all that. So again, you just realize I can remove this, I can put in a fresh piece like this, so you can replace the headlamp battery on the go, and it's also carbon and waterproof.
For you ladies, this actually fits into your makeup pouch, trust me. Similar size to your lipstick, so I think it would be great as a gift. One downside of this, however, is that the charging of this is only 10 watts, so if you're looking for fast charging, it might not be able to fully charge your batteries in the fastest speeds, but you can be rest assured it will get it done in due time. You just need to have it charged a bit slower. So if that is a deal breaker for you, you might want to check out our bigger MB10Ks and above.
Does add a lot more weight and clunkiness headlamp in front, but when you add this, you got your cable sticking out the side of your head, your hat or your helmet, and then run it to the back here. So you do have some pros and cons depending on how you want to run it, right? For the cost of longer runtime, do you feel this is worth it?
This is too heavy though for runners who are looking for the lightest possible carry on your head. Personally, I would recommend a UT27 with an extended battery in your pouch. That would weigh less over time because bulk of the weight will be on your head. So if you're looking to have this as a running light companion, I wouldn't recommend it.
This is aimed more for the industrial users that can't go back to base and recharge, right? They need to really extend the runtime of their lights. Then they bring this along.
Last tip though, that if you're using this kit with a headlamp such as the HU2000, please note that you can't use it because of the output. This just outputs too low at 1 ampere. So the HU2000 requires a higher output. So you're better off using a MB10K and above. If you plug this in, it will not work.
Next up is the UT27. This was released in August. So this is the UT27 Pro version, the highest tier running headlamp Nitecore has ever released, and it's very, very good. So if you're into serious trail running or endurance racing, the UT27 sets the gold standard for performance and compliance with race requirements. What I mean by that, this is the only headlamp with a removable, rechargeable battery like this. So this is specifically designed for ultra trail marathon runners competing in UTMB races around the world. It includes replaceable batteries that meet race regulations like this, right? You have a pair with every UT27. Now, it also has yellow and white beams to handle all kinds of weather conditions, including rain and fog. It comes with a carry sack that doubles as a lantern, adding extra utility for camping use.
Now the previous model of the UT27 actually had issues with the hinges. As you can see, these two parts would crack and break commonly, but I think Nitecore has fixed this, as the new models are more durable overall and twice in terms of brightness. So I think if you're looking to pick a headlamp for running, you now have two colors as an option, which is pretty handy. The warm light helps with seeing far in the distance, as the warmer tone of light helps to cut through fog and mist and other particles in your way. The white light is great for also seeing shadows so that you don't accidentally trip on the rock right ahead of you. So this light that has both does it for you, which is why ultra marathon runners go for this. Fun fact, you can also pop in 3 AA batteries to power this. So in case your built-in battery dies, you can just grab 3 on the go and it will give you the equal runtime and brightness.
Have you tried the UT27? Right, does it live up to its reputation as the ultimate trail running headlamp? Right, do let us know in the comments below. Next up is HU2000, released in August as well. So Nitecore absolutely knocked it out of the park with this one. It's so light and offers incredible runtime and brightness, whether you're powering it with a power bank like this, right, or the Carbon 6K kit. The HU2000 is Nitecore's 4th and best version of an external powered headlamp. It comes without any battery, just a sleek LED array like this, super thin. You can use it with a band or a mole clip here. Now headlamps like the NU series with built-in batteries suffer from battery fatigue over the years, but with the HU2000, just swap out the power source and it's as good as new. This will last you for years and years.
The bad part about this light is that the only point of failure could be the cable. You gotta know that these are not replaceables. If they do break, your light is probably bricked from then on. Cable management could also be a real problem if you don't know how to route the cables properly, as it could get snagged while you're working, you're running. This can be easily solved once you've dialed in the right amount of length of cable you need, and this can help you to improve your workflows, and there's no extra weight required on your forehead once you get the right length accordingly. For those who've used the HU2000, does it live up to the hype, or do you think that the cables are too messy, too clunky, or too lengthy for your personal use? Let me know what your thoughts are.
Alright, next up, the NU27. So this was released in September. So this is Nitecore's first MCT multi-color temperature beam headlamp. It offers a choice of yellow, right, neutral, and cool white beams, making it ideal for true all-weather use. So what are the colors for? White is more for seeing far, neutral is an even mix, and when you go to full yellow, it's more for cutting through foggy weather and rain. So this is ultra lightweight with no unnecessary extras, purely focusing on performance. You can go headband free and just clip it to your cap like this. Above or below works just as well. It has red light as well. Now the bad thing is it has limited beam power compared to higher tier models, but then again it's so small.
Now the bad part of this headlamp is that compared to other higher powered lights, this is actually quite small in terms of size, so the runtime and battery and brightness might be not as long as the others. Now MCT is a new tech that Nitecore has been putting into their headlamps, so we foresee more and more headlamps featuring these multicolored functions, which are great for different use cases and hopefully with a bigger model and a longer runtime. Well, that's it for headlamps. Whether you're looking for ultra light design or powerhouse beam, 2024 had something for everyone. Which do you think is the worst and the best of 2024? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget about the giveaway. Once this video hits 500 likes, one lucky winner will stand to win a brand new EDC 29.
So if you got this far, thanks for sticking with us for this 2024 recap. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Nitecore has got even more exciting releases planned for 2025 and trust me, you won't want to miss it. So see you in the next one.